Hey there, ready for the tour? Welcome to my video. So this is one of those videos, I'll call it a tutorial video. It's going to be detailed as I'm not really fastening it up. So I'll be doing it slower than normal to make sure that you grasp the key parts. It looks like I've fallen in love with this front sectioning thing. So I'm sectioning for, I want to do some twists. I'm going to have half of the hair will be just the normal twist, and then the rest will be some flat twists. So as usual, we start by hydrating the crown. You go in with a spray bottle, spray all over. Make sure the hair is well moisturized, that you can feel the softness of the strands. We're trying to make it soft and easy to comb. We are trying to avoid the excessive breakage that mostly happens if the hair is too dry, and make the hair easy to detangle. This white toothbrush comes handy. I find it useful as it has less tension on the hair while you're combing through and detangling the hair. Also do a good job at the back. Make sure that it's all well detangled. I'm using Eco Styling Gel. Hope you can see that clearly. Rub it in your hands and apply a small amount. Don't use excess amount, just use enough, and then you can use a brush to see where that gets in the hair. Using excess amount of product can lead to flaking, and that is one of the issues I found with many of you complaining in the comment section, especially even on TikTok. Most of you are saying that every time you apply whichever kind of gel, it flakes. So try to apply on moist hair. Try to make sure that you use just enough amount of product, and then make sure that you distribute it well within the hair. So all this combing is to make sure that the product is well distributed and make sure that I get a good finish in the end. And then finally I have this unprofessional brush. I call it unprofessional because I've improvised it because it's meant for shoe polishing, but I find it very useful, especially to get that final shining finish. I then use a band to secure the hair at the top. So then, as I told you, I'm going to section this part into two. I'm going to do some twist on one and a flat twist on the other one. So I apply some gel, and then brush that through with my fingers. I'm just going to use my fingers to section the hair. Yeah, it's never that serious. You just need to practice until you can get where you feel you're comfortable with, and you get somewhere you feel you can celebrate. You can add some amount of gel as time as you go on. Whenever you feel that the hair is kind of dry, just add some amount, or spray some more water. It will be helpful. I hope you're subscribed to my channel. If you haven't yet, I'll be very intrigued if you became part of this gang. So this section I'm going to do some flat twist. So I'm using a tail comb to section that. So it's just like a normal twist, just that now you're picking the hair as you move along. It's not some mystery, you just need practice. Just assume you're doing a normal twist, but then as you move, you pick the hair. Flat twisting it is. You can section from any side, from whichever angle, however you like it. You are free. Just know that it's your hair and it's your style. Make the best out of it. So you can make yours and make them fall on the other side, or you can let them fall on your face. Whichever way. There we go. I think we're doing great. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, ask your question in the comment section. You can also check my other videos on how to style your natural hair. How if you want to braid your own hair, you can do that. And also if you just want some short videos, you can check me up on TikTok, you can check me up on Instagram. You find my videos, I use the same name across our platform, so feel free to check me up. So here we are, that is the final look. You can't forget to brush it up, the places where we have disturbed while doing the twist. Hope that is understandable. Let me know what you think about the style. Let me know how you think about the twist. And I'll see you in my next video. So bye, have a lovely day.